So hey guys, this is Chef Lee and we're going to get into making this ceviche. Right now we have a red onion, then we have a tomatoes finely diced, and then we have avocados. I went ahead and I diced these up already so we can just get it going, okay? So we're just going to start adding the red onion into the bowl. You just want to try to make sure that everything is the same size and finely chopped. So then we're going to just add those in. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we're just going to make sure everything is finely chopped in. I mean, you don't have to make it way too fine, but try to get it done. Okay. Alright. So it is. Okay. Oh, it smells so fresh. Alright. So, okay, guys, now I am about to finely dice these cucumbers. Okay, this actually might be enough. Okay, so I put lemon juice at the end so it can just basically marinate. I love lemon juice and I love pepper and seasoning, and so I feel like the cucumbers should get the most. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit and marinate. Okay guys, now we're going to start dicing up our peppers. I'm only going to use one, and what I do is just slice it and cut it down the middle. Take those peppers out. It's actually good to leave some, just gives it an extra spice. And then we're going to start dicing it up. I'm only gonna use a little bit of these peppers because I like bell peppers, but really doesn't go with ceviche like that. I just want a little bit more crunch. I'm just gonna use a little. That's it. Show you the last bits. Mix it together. Guys, this smells so good, so fresh. Alright guys, now we're going to chop the shrimp. We just want them in small pieces. And the shrimp that I have is already cooked. And you just want to make sure that all of the veins are out. So just make sure you devein the shrimp again. Sometimes they mess it, so. already small. Might not have to chop it up so much. Make sure you try to get the ones that you probably missed. Now we're gonna add the lemon juice. Okay, now we're going to use the Valentina Mexican hot sauce, and we're going to pour it in there. And this is for people that like hot ceviche, nice and spicy, flavorful, which is me. And I'm just going to mix this up a little bit and let this sit for a while, maybe about an hour, and then we're going to come back to it. Okay. Okay guys, so I went and added the cod and the shrimp along with each other, and I had it marinate in the sauce. This is completely finished right now, and it's amazing. The taste is great. This is an easy dish for you to make at home. I hope you guys enjoyed. I traveled to San Juan, Austin, Texas, and Miami for ceviche, and I came back home to try to remake this recipe. And it's just, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and like and follow me on IG at IOKELEE. I'll see you guys later.